Yes, today's signing. He's fast like a ninja and sharp like a razor blade. Greeting to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are. This is Smart Brain. As usual, I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you for those who have already subscribed this channel and smashed the bell icon so that they'll be able to get all news information like rumors, transfer update, prediction, as well as fixtures on the present and upcoming season of 2025-2026, the South Africa Premier Division. May Almighty God bless you all. As Kaizer Chiefs Amakos gear up for the upcoming season with the three different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, and the prestigious CAF Confederation Cup, under the managerial guidance of Nasruddin Nabi, are now being linked with the move of a talented striker known as Jonathan Soa, a 25 years old who is currently playing instead in the Tanzania Premier Soccer League, affectionately as NBC, in Singida Black Stars Football Club. Jonathan Soa, who has passed in different clubs like Mediama from Ghana, Al Nassr from Libya, and now with the Singida Black Stars, he has been offered to different clubs, including Africans as well as Kaizer Chiefs, and Kaizer Chiefs are given high priority to sign him in this transfer window because they believe will be a valuable addition to their already formidable squad capable of competing effectively in different competitions. Jonathan Soa, who has claimed himself that if he can't score on a single match, he can't afford even to eat, so he's happy to eat, and he joined Singida Black Stars in the January 2025, and up to now until the end of the league he managed to score 12 goals in the Tanzania Premier Soccer League for 2024-2025 season. So if you look at his rate, you will notify that he's a good striker and he can help Amakos to restore their dominance in South Africa Premier Division in terms of the Premier Soccer League title. What is your thought about this?